Hey, ever wanted to turn an old magazine into something super cool like this AR effect? Well, guess what? You don't need any fancy 3D modeling or complicated coding. In just a few minutes and with just 5 images, I'm going to show you how to. First things first, head over to the Kivicube platform and log in. Once you're in, create a brand new collection. Then go ahead and click to create a new scene. Give it a name that's easy for you to remember later on. Next up, you're going to upload your magazine cover. This will act as the magic image marker that triggers all the AR goodness. After that, just upload the rest of your PNG images all at once. Okay, see that yellow frame? You're going to want to drag it or tweak its values so it lines up perfectly with your magazine cover. Now, drag out 8 more copies of that exact same frame. Once it's spot on, click to copy its data. Then click Paste onto each of these new frames one by one. Now you'll see they're all stacked on top of each other. Now comes the fun part. We're going to give this stack some depth. The y-axis value of each frame. For every frame after the first, increase that y value by just 0.02. And just like that, you'll start to see a 3D book shape forming. Let's make it even cooler by adding some detail. Drag in your decorative text PNG. Adjust its size and position. You can either drag it around or enter the values manually if you want to be super precise. Now, rotate it from 90 degrees all the way to 0. Boom. Your text is standing up. Then, drag in 2 more text layers. Copy those parameter values you just set. Paste those exact same values onto both of them. Now, let's play with the z-axis value. Increase it by 0.02 for each of these text layers. See how that little bit of spacing makes the text look more 3-dimensional? Awesome! Alright, next, drag in your character image. Adjust its values so it completely covers the original flat character on your magazine. Then, rotate it from 90 to 0 degrees. Look at that. Your character is now standing up too. Make sure to align the bottom edge of the character image nicely. Now, let's add even more layers for depth. Drag in a half-frame element. Just like before, drag it around and tweak its parameters until it lines up perfectly with everything else. Then rotate it from 90 to 0 degrees. And there you have it. The half-frame is standing up as well. For a more direct and visual approach to modifying your asset, you're not limited to just the parameter settings. The handy scale button allows you to instantly resize your object with a simple drag, giving you immediate visual feedback. Similarly, the rotate button lets you easily manipulate its orientation, providing a tactile way to achieve the perfect angle. Okay, we're getting to the really exciting part. Animation. Head over to the animation panel. Let's bring your AR creation to life. Give your animation a clear and descriptive name. Now set the entrance animation for your character image. You've got tons of options here. You can make it scale in, slide in from any direction, you name it. Just remember, the shorter the duration you set, the faster the animation will be. Now this is super important. Don't forget to add animation control. You need to set up the trigger condition for when your animation should play. I'm going to choose start when the image is recognized. You can always preview your animation down at the bottom to see how it looks. Let's add another animation, this. Time and emphasis animation to our half frame. You can make it rotate, pulse, bounce. Seriously, there's so much to play around with. I think I'll go with a spin effect for this one. If you're not quite sure what to pick, feel free to just copy my settings. And again, a friendly reminder, don't forget the animation control for this one too. Otherwise, your cool rotation won't actually happen. Preview the rotation to double-check that it's working smoothly. Alright, take a good look at your whole scene. Make sure everything looks just the way you want it. Now this is crucial. Scenes on Kivicube don't save automatically, so make absolutely sure you hit that save button. And finally, when you're ready to share your awesome AR creation with everyone, just click on Web to instantly get your very own QR code. All you need to do is scan it with your phone camera, and boom! Get ready to enjoy your incredible AR 3D magazine experience. That's essentially how you create the AR magazine, and basically you can apply the same AR scene by duplicate it from the template page. Alright, that's it for the tutorials. If you have any question, you can comment on this video or join our Discord community, where you can not only share your work but ask any questions that you may have. Alright, we hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.